What's up guys, DevBird here, and today I wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. So I've added a couple of things like voice compatibility, dialog settings, styles, and a setup wizard. And I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and so let's get started. Alright, so let's open this up. And I have a scene from Death Note here, if you're familiar with that. But the most important thing is that we have a little audio field here. So now I can put any kind of audio inside here, and it'll play whenever this node plays. So that way I can have some voice acting whenever I play a node. So let's head over to the actual scene and see how it plays out.
What's wrong? You've been staring at me for the last 2 minutes. Wait, let me guess. You must be annoyed because I'm the only one eating cake at the moment, am I right?
No, that's not it.
Here.
Really, don't worry about it.
So that does it for the voice compatibility feature, and I hope you enjoyed that. Now we can move on to the next feature. Alright, so we look over to the VNMaker window here. We have a setup wizard, which simply helps set up all the stuff so you can just get going right off the bat. And you also have a dialog settings. So if I click this, it'll ping the dialog settings. So I've gotten a lot of requests to have a way to change the UI. And so through the dialog settings, you can actually change the UI quite easily. Through this dialog box, it changes the UI, and then you can change the buttons too. And there's a lot of stuff you can tweak here, like the text speed and the background transition speed and stuff like that. So you can use this, and if you want more features than this, then I can implement that quite easily. Now I'm going to show you guys one last feature here, and I'm going to go back to my dialog graph here, and you see that there's this new little button here, and it says default style, and I can choose between multi or single. And so if I choose single and then I save it and then I play it.
What's wrong? You've been staring at me for the last 2 minutes.
So as you can see here, you only have one character portrait here, and this is more resembling like an RPG style. So depending on what style you want, you can go with that. The nice thing is that you can actually change the style depending on what graph is being played, and so maybe your game can transition between these two types of styles very easily. So that's a feature you have access to. So this portrait can look kind of strange. Let's see how fast I can change it up so it looks a little bit better. So in my dialog here, I can choose between different portraits, and I already have a icon loaded for both characters, and so I can just change it to that. And I'm just going to change all of them to the icon style instead. And then I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to hit play and load it again.
What's wrong? You've been staring at me for the last 2 minutes. Wait, let me guess. You must be annoyed because I'm the only one eating cake at the moment, am I right?
No, that's not it.
Here.
Really, don't worry about it.
So as you can see, it's really simple to change the style, to change the portraits to however you want. You can just test it out, see how it looks, see if you like it or not, and then go with whatever you want. Alright, so that about wraps up this video. I just want to update you guys on the features that I've been working on. And if you guys have more suggestions, then I'd be happy to hear it, because last time you guys really wanted a way to update the way the UI looks, and so now we have a dialog settings feature where you can do that very easily. And so you have another suggestion, another feature that you really want in this package before I release it, then let me know and I'll try to work on it before I release it to the public. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. I'd like to thank my special patrons Mohammed, Magello, Xavier Herbert, Van Helen, Seymour, Castor, Pale Blue Dot, and Polybius. Thank you for being my patrons and supporting this channel. If you'd like to support my channel, go to patreon.com/devbird, and I'll see you guys next time.